Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine slushies. First, select your preferred wine, such as a crisp white or a fruity rosé. Next, choose your frozen fruit. Berries, peaches, or mango work wonderfully. Finally, decide if you'll add a sweetener like simple syrup or honey. Having these ingredients ready is the first step to a delicious treat. Now let's blend. For a balanced slushie, use a ratio of 1 part wine to 2 parts frozen fruit. For example, 1 cup of wine with 2 cups of berries. If you like it sweeter, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener. Blend everything on high until it reaches a smooth, icy consistency. You might need to pulse it a few times. The fun part is customizing. Don't be afraid to mix and match wines with various fruits. A dry white wine with pineapple or a red wine with mixed berries are great options. For an extra flavor boost, try adding a small splash of fruit juice. Serve your slushie immediately, perhaps garnished with a fresh fruit slice or a sprig of mint for a fancy touch. Here are a few pro tips for the best results. Chilling your wine before blending helps create an even thicker, colder slushie. Always taste and adjust the sweetness to your liking. Some fruits are naturally sweeter. And speaking of upgrades, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter home. You can find a link to that, plus other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your homemade wine slushies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.